Now there's a question given below which you can see that ये कुछ एक figure है and you have to label all the different components. ठीक है, that what is the A component, what is the B component, C and the D component. So इसमें आपको दिख रहा है कि A component तो हम लोगों ने already model में देखा था that A indicates your vas deferens. So A is basically a vas deferens जो कि आपका sperm duct हो जाएगा. ठीक है, this is a figure of the male reproductive system which you can see, है ना, और हमें correct वो बताना है. So this is basically a vas deferens which you can see. B structure has also been indicated in the model which we have already seen, and that is your seminal vesicles, है ना, क्योंकि ये paired होते हैं. So you can see इसके दो pairs यहाँ पे present है. One is this one and the other is this one over here. दो है total. तो इसीलिए B represents your seminal vesicle over here. C is your basically C represents your prostrate gland because it is an unpaired gland. So ये भी हम लोगों ने देखा था. It is a single gland over here. So this is a prostrate gland. And of course, the last gland becomes your bulbourethral gland over here, है ना, जो एकदम D में बता रहा है. So it's your bulbourethral gland which is also paired. ये भी आपका paired ही होता है. Bulbourethral gland. All right. So if you're going to match with the options, so it is vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostrate, and then bulbourethral gland. So the very first option is also is in fact the correct option.